So where'd you ride in from?
Memphis, North Mississippi.
Well, all right, man. What brings you here?
Oh, Stagecoach, see everyone.
So is this your first time here?
No, this is probably about my fifth. First time was in '06, and it was full like this.
So what are you riding?
Today we're riding a BMW K1600.
Well, all right, man.
Yeah, me and my wife, Team Campbell.
There you go. You want to give a shout out to Mike Nebo?
Yeah. Hey, Mike, good to see you.
I'm in my garage and I am super late. I couldn't find my heat controls for my heating gear to save my life. 3 days looking for this heating gear. Couldn't find it. Finally found it in a garbage bag that was gonna go out. I guess the wifey did a cleanup. Oh, they don't need this stuff. Oh my God. Anyways, I'm here getting my bike ready to roll. And I'm in the attorney that rides a lair. Let's say, proof. I'm just excited because this is the first time I've been on a trip since a long distance trips for my operation, and on my neck I had spinal surgery, 4 discs replacement. That's a serious thing for those that don't know. So I'm heading to Stockton, Alabama for the Ride to Eat. Is the last ride for long distance riders, iron butt riders, Hoka Hey riders, all those different type of crazy people that like to put like 1,000 miles in 24 hours, or you know, something 1,500 miles in 24 hours, you know, those long distance riders, you know. And everybody's meeting this place just to have a cheeseburger. Well, I'm here like in Ocala. It's starting to get to 52 degrees of dropping. It's gonna hit the 40s. And I got about 3 more hours to go, 3.5 hours to get to Panama City Beach. Filled up the tank, ready to go. I had me some catfish. Should have taken a picture of it, but took 2 Tylenols. My back is hurting. Neck's doing all right, a little sore. But other than that, I'm okay. But hitting the road again, and I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna hit Panama City Beach to meet up with my buddy John, and then from there we're going to Alabama, sweet home Alabama. All right, I made it here. There's John, and John's riding what? What are you riding?
Honda ST13. Honda.
Are we gonna have Chinese food afterwards?
Yes, sir. We're gonna shoot our brains out, brother.
Share out this rice burner. You're not gonna burn the rice, are you?
I won't leave you.
Where are we going? Stockton, Alabama.
Stockton, Alabama. Bay Minette first for the evening, and then Stockton, Stagecoach in the morning.
There you go. About to get on the bikes, Panama City to Stockton, Alabama.
All right, the GoPro battery took a shit. Want to let everybody know we are here at the Alabama state line, Sweet Home, Alabama. And we just passed through. What did we pass, John?
We're in Floribama, the highest spot in Florida, right back there.
So we were on top of, not the world, but on top of Florida.
Top of Florida.
We were above heads and above everybody.
370 feet above sea level.
All right, so here we are. Like the song says, Sweet Home, Alabama. All right, I'm gonna give you a task. I'm gonna give you the choice of finding us a good, healthy country restaurant where we can have some lunch.
Healthy and country.
Yes.
Just some greens. You want some greens?
I want some greens, some broccoli.
Black eyed peas.
Well,
Cornbread.
cornbread. Well, cornbread ain't
pork
carbs.
chops.
Pork chops. All right, we got people coming in already. We got people right down there coming in for the Stagecoach. The what? Oh, Bay Minette. Minette or Minette? The Baldwin County Tigers is the home of. Well, listen, we got our hotel room. It's at the Red Roof. I didn't see any dead cockroaches yet, but the night is early.
This is where everybody always stays.
Everybody stays
Where
here?
everybody always stays every time.
He's trying
Harley
to talk like a
Bird.
New Yorker. Country boy.
Every time.
Every time.
Every time.
Let me show you what the room looks like. So we got 101.
Go in there and let him meet the dog too.
The dog. Not bad. Got a little flat screen TV. Turn the lights on. This looks like the hotel in Vegas when it didn't have any hot water. Let's see if there's any hot water. Oh, it's hot water. It is hot water. Got microwave. So we're deciding where to go eat. There's a place called Streets where they got like meatloaf, they've got steak, they got shrimp, seafood, a little bit of everything. So we're gonna go check that out. I'm hungry. We haven't had anything to eat since Panama City Beach, but that's about to change.
Want to see if homeboy wants to eat?
You know him? I don't know him.
He'll know you after this.
I don't know him. We're gonna invite strangers to eat.